relax. What just happened?
You know you're gonna burn these.
I don't want you to film me right now.
Whoa! That's not funny! You're so close! Ooh, it's spicy. So I cut these big old pieces of plywood that we're gonna put to the walls in our garage, but I cut them a little too long. So instead of making like a tiny cut, I'm just gonna see if I can sand it down. Let's see if that did anything at all. Oh, perfect. You want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's just cut it.
So what are we doing?
This is shocking work, Ashley. Shocking.
Shocking! Try to the heart, and you're too late, darling. You give love a bad name. This took me like 45 minutes.
Really?
No, I'm just kidding. So what Mark is doing, he's slicing
And dicing.
What are you doing?
Straighten them out so I could take the cover off of it when I strip it. I'm a stripper, Ashley.
Okay.
I've been stripping for years.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's money.
So Dad, who'd you learn how to do all this stuff from?
I give this credit to Richie Feldman. Taught me so much about carpentry. Thank you, Richard Feldman. Okay, so.
There you go. See, that's a hook and a half right there.
Brass, right? You said?
Brass is hot, yes.
Brass is hot. Can you stop filming for a second? All right, you said you wanted to wrap the grounds together, right?
Wrap the grounds together and then you hook one to the green, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is that how it works?
Mm-hmm.
I have no clue.
See about Denise coming home from work? Just whipping up homemade pasta. Rolling the dough, cutting it.
That's how you do it. You wrap it around and then you grab both wires and you spin them. Makes a nice clean connect. Cool. So Ashley did a great job of cutting this perfect shape to black out our back window here. And man, she looks fine today. Oh no, our license plate.
So I have to take the sticker off and then spray it with soapy water.
If you didn't know, we've been piecing together our back garage. Let's open your eye. Lost.
What the why does that keep happening every time it turns it?
Oh, the shake and spray. You've ever heard of the shake and bake? This is the shake and spray.
Yeah, and then you have to spray the window too.
Spray the window or drench the window?
Okay.
I'll back it out like it fade away. Look in the back window, what you say, baby? Getting our fingers all up in them suds, suddenly bubblies.
And then you can use like a credit card.
Ooh.
Expensive.
Did you do this one too? Look, she blacked out these two windows. She's so freaking talented. So we're gonna black out these two as well. Obviously you can't see the insulation. What? Don't! Whoa! That's not funny, you're so close. What are you doing?
I feel like whenever we show you guys a little bit of progress, it never seems like all that much. We have all of our stuff kind of stored in the back, so that's why it looks crazy back here. But Shawn did yesterday put up this whole back wall for the garage. Now, there's gonna be a nicer piece, obviously, that's on the inside on our bedroom. But we had some leftover plywood at my house, and he just wanted to use that all up. So they're actually all in like little different sections, but you won't see any of that. I'm gonna try and finish as many windows as I can today.
We are back in business.
All right, mister. Wait, you didn't get the other thing.
The blade.
I need the black stuff. Once these windows are all blacked out like this, it dries overnight. I'm just gonna stick a piece of insulation in here, take spray foam, go around the edges just to make sure that it's all sealed up, and then we'll be putting a wall like over all of that. Checking your dog out?
No, I'm getting some schmutz out of my schmutz.
Is this our last of the day?
Yes, baby, it is. Are
done?
you ecstatic?
Don't be mean. Don't be mean.
So Mark taught me this. I want to make sure you keep a loop out here just in case you don't have enough insulation feeding through. This, bam. All right, now we're gonna make sure we have enough room to work with here.
We're only using the GFCI outlet because this is in the bathroom.
What you are, my love. So it's gonna be like there.
You literally didn't move it at all.
Check the game notes, buds. What you wanna do is take your grounds and tie them together. Now you're supposed to use needle-nosed pliers, but you know, we don't do things right around here. Shoot, I need my black. Goes in here. And this black goes in here.
So the blacks both go on one side.
Correct. That's the same with the white.